Dear learners, welcome back to the channel where we explore the fascinating world of Hindi idioms and their English equivalents. Today we have not one but two intriguing idioms to discuss, as they both are quite similar. So, let's dive right in. आज हम एक नहीं बल्कि दो हिंदी मुहावरों के बारे में बात करेंगे, क्योंकि दोनों एक दूसरे से काफ़ी मिलते जुलते हैं. Our first idiom for today is आगे कुआं पीछे खाई. This idiom translates to in front a well, behind a pit or a trench. It describes a situation where a person is trapped between two difficult choices, with danger or trouble on both sides. It's very similar to the English idiom between the devil and the deep blue sea. हमारा पहला मुहावरा है आगे कुआं पीछे खाई, जिसके लिए इंग्लिश में आप कह सकते हैं बिटवीन द डेविल एंड द डीप ब्लू सी. एक और इंग्लिश एक्सप्रेशन जो इसके लिए इस्तेमाल होता है वो है बिटवीन अ रॉक एंड अ हार्ड प्लेस. इमेजिन यू आर वॉकिंग डाउन अ path and you find yourself stuck between a deep well on one side and a steep pit on the other. No matter which way you go, there's a significant risk. This idiom is used when someone is in a tough spot and has no easy way out. For example, if a person is struggling to choose between two equally bad options, like taking a job they hate or staying unemployed, they might say, मैं क्या करूं? आगे कुआं, पीछे खाई है. It's a powerful way to convey the feeling of being stuck between a rock and a hard place. Now let's move on to our second idiom, which is आसमान से गिरा खजूर में अटका. This translates to fell from the sky and got stuck in a date palm tree. It's used to describe a situation where someone escapes one problem only to find themselves in another equally difficult situation. This is very similar to the English idiom out of the frying pan into the fire. Imagine someone falling from a great height thinking they are escaping danger only to land in a thorny date palm tree. हमारा दूसरा मुहावरा है आसमान से गिरा खजूर में अटका, जिसके लिए इंग्लिश में कहा जाता है out of the frying pan into the fire. For instance, if someone leaves a stressful job only to end up in another job with even more stress, they might say, मेरे साथ तो ऐसा ही हो रहा है, आसमान से गिरा खजूर में अटका. It's a vivid way to express the irony of moving from one difficult situation to another. And there you have it. Two expressive Hindi idioms that perfectly capture challenging situations. आगे कुआं पीछे खाई teaches us about being stuck between two tough choices, while आसमान से गिरा खजूर में अटका reminds us of the irony of escaping from one problem only to fall into another. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more fascinating idioms and their English equivalents. Also, let me know in the comments if there are any other idioms you'd like me to explore. Until then, keep learning.